Today we're making a sweet and savory charcuterie tray. This is Jackie from Motherwise, and I teach mothers how to get dinner on the table with less time, less stress, and less money. So let's go over the ingredients that I have. I went out and bought a selection of meats. I also bought a wheel of brie, which is my favorite. Now in the refrigerator I had some sharp cheddar and some mozzarella. I bought an apple and I have a small cluster of grapes. For nuts I have walnuts and pecans. I have a couple different kinds of mustard, and I have some spicy cheese straws that I made over Christmas. For my sweets I have peanut butter balls. You can find the recipe right here above. They're quick and easy. I have orange balls. I've got some hand-dipped pretzel rods. You can find out how to make those above. And I have some homemade chocolate-covered toffee. So let's get started and see what we make. The first thing I want to do is start with my cheeses. So I'm going to come back here to the back and I'm going to place my brie. I've got all my cheddar cheese chopped up. I'm going to place it right here. I'm going to place my mozzarella on the other side, in the other corner, because we want to balance out the colors. I'm going to move my cheddar cheese to this other corner. Next I've got my grapes. And I've got a few little clusters, but a lot of them are just by themselves. They're just off the vine. So I'm just going to cluster those right here around my brie. And since apples and cheddar, you always hear of those together, I'm going to put my apples right here around my cheddar cheese. I'm going to wrap my mozzarella cheese in some meat, and in order to have a variegated look, I'm going to flip them. So I'm not going to have them all going the same way, so they don't look so uniform. Now let's add our orange balls. Most of them are plain, but I do have some that are coconut, so I'm going to put those sort of on the top so people can get to those if that's what they want. I have my cheese straws. And we'll just lay those over around here. put my peanut butter balls in a bowl, and I'm going to set that over here. I'm going to add my toffee right here around the orange balls. I'll add my roses. And some mustard. See if the bowl will sort of hold that up. I've got my pecans and my walnuts. Just don't forget our chocolate covered pretzels. Kind of over in our dessert corner. And just rearrange as you go. I'm going to put my rose here. Let's go put a couple of roses right here together, and I'll put the different kind right in the middle. Tell you what, we'll just call this our rose garden. Put them all right here. I'll add some more crackers. And we just need to spread things out a little bit. I have a broken cracker, so let me take that one out. And we'll just sort of spread things around and fill out some space. Be sure to check out some of my other charcuterie boards. This is Jackie from Otherwise, and remember, dinner's at 6.